All right, today we are going to this little island nearby that everybody calls Gilligan's Island. What's the name of the island?
Gilligan's Island.
I know everybody calls it Gilligan's Island, but what's the real name? Okay, we're going to Sisters Rock, or better known as Gilligan's Island, and it's not very far from here. We're gonna do some snorkeling and some swimming, and we'll walk around on the island for a little bit, but come along with us. I don't see a bunch of sea urchins here. I think we'll try this area. That's funny, there's one right there. Oh, there's a bunch right there. It's like a landmine. Yeah, I'm not freaking going in that. You've got me. I ain't doing it. I'm not doing it. I do not want to step on those little fishes. Okay, so I've never stepped on one, but I heard that they hurt really bad, and I'm not trying to find out. That was fun. Water over here. I don't know what it is. I want you to figure it out.
Straight down?
Straight over there.
Yeah, it's like a motor.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I really saw a stingray, but I was too afraid to like chase after it. I tried for a minute and then I was like, I'm out of here. I don't know where it went and I don't want to put my feet down now. Oh, this has been so much fun. Okay, that's it for today. I think today was definitely a success. I mean, we saw conch, we saw sea sponge, snails, some fish. We saw a random battery and an air conditioner. We had so much fun. I don't even know what we're going to do next week, but we hope you guys join us. And if you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll get started on making the next video for you guys. I'm excited. Thanks for watching. Bye.